Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. On the menu today, we have some loaded sweet potato fries. If you want to know how I made this, stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important. For
So I'm using my air fryer to do my sweet potato fries, but you can just totally do these in the oven. Now I'm doing, I've got roughly about a kilo of sweet potatoes that I've just chopped into wedges. And so I'm going to do them in batches. Now all I'm going to do is just put them in the air fryer and just spray them with my oil spray. Now it does give a guideline if you're using the Ninja to do your fries for about 15 to 18 minutes. So I'm going to start with 15 minutes and see how they are at the end. Now what I did halfway through is just go through and just move them about, so they just to make sure they cook evenly. Now after 15 minutes I checked them, they were cooked, but for me personally I prefer them done just a little bit more, so I put them back for another 3 minutes. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming. If you haven't yet subscribed, look here, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Now I'm going to be using the 5% beef mince to make my topping. So all I'm going to do is just lightly fry a medium onion chopped in about a tablespoon of oil. I'm also going to go ahead and I added about 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Now I sauteed these for about 2 to 3 minutes, then I'm just going to add my mince. Now I season my mince with some steak seasoning, and also, my favorite, I have to go in with my Maggi all-purpose. But you can totally use, what seasoning you like, what suits your palate. Now I'm gonna cook this for about, I'd say 7 to 8 minutes, or until the mince is cooked through. Now I'm on a medium flame. Now I did stir this for about roughly about 2 to 3 times. Now once my mince is nearly there, I go in and I add my mixed herb. Now I added about a teaspoon of this mixed herb. Now I do like to go in with my mixed peppers, and also I went in with about half a can of chopped tomatoes. Now I gave this a good mix and I covered this and just let this simmer for about 10 minutes. Now once this is cooked, I am in the process of carrying on doing different batches of my sweet potato, but this is the first batch after the added 3 minutes, making it 18 minutes in total. They were just completely cooked all the way through, and perfect to how I like it. Now after your mince is finished, I just like to give it a good stir, cover it and leave it for let it rest for about a couple of minutes. Now after you've done this, now I pre-prepared my salad that I'm putting on it. Now I'm just using some basic iceberg lettuce, but you can go ahead and, you know, it's your sweet potato bowl, so you know, you just add what veggies you like, but I do like lettuce. And yeah, I just add what I like in it. So as I said, if you're making this, you know, go with what you're comfortable eating and just, you know, go for it. Just load it up with what you like. So I added my lettuce, my sweet potato. I went in with the mince over the sweet potato. Now I'm also going to add cheese. Now I'm using mozzarella cheese here, but you can use any cheese that you want. You can use Parmesan, would be quite nice. Or you can use, you know, like a real mature cheddar. That will just be perfect. Now I'm adding in some sliced red onions, tomatoes, added some avocado. Now the onions, once I chop them, I squeeze a little bit of lemon juice over it, you know, just to kind of take away that really harsh raw onion taste. But if you do like that really raw onion taste, you can just, you know, you don't have to do that. So I added in some black olives, and I'm also gonna add some jalapenos. I'm gonna also give this a little sprinkle of some fresh chopped parsley, and I'm gonna go ahead now and add a little dressing. Now I'm using Caesar dressing. Yes, that's what I said. I'm using Caesar dressing because I just love the taste that the Caesar gives it, but you can just use any little dressing that you want. It's totally up to you. And I'm also gonna add just a little dusting of paprika, you know, just for the color, you know, we have to make the little thing pretty for the gram. And there you have it, guys, my loaded sweet potato fries. Like, this was just really surprisingly so filling. Like, you see this bowl here, this served for 2 of us, so it was really filling, because you've just packed it with just loads of different stuff. Like, listen, all you want when you're done is a glass of water, trust me. Guys, thank you so much for watching this loaded sweet potato fries video. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Don't forget to hit that like button for your girl. And as I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video, guys. Take care. Bye.